Hi guys, Drew here from Preferred Camping and welcome to another unboxing video. So you get the little pocket bellows. Don't know why that didn't come in the box, to be fair. A bit puzzling that. So let's see what you get in the box. So as you can see here, it comes with this nice carry bag. Just open that up. Inside here we have the lid, a water bottle, fish mouth spreader, and a pot. Now I don't know why they didn't pack the fire bellows in all together, but maybe that's just chucked in as an afterthought, but there you go, that's what you get in the kit. There's a nice snug fit there. And that's quite tight there on the top of the lid. It's very similar to the Chaison pot actually, that I reviewed recently. Very similar. So you just take these bits of plastic out of the way so you can have a look at them properly. I might keep hold of this bit though, the Ziploc bag, they're always quite handy to have. So yeah, I mean for years I've been using the end of an old broken telescopic fly swat as a fire bellows after Finn broke it. But now I actually have a genuine made for purpose fire bellows. Look at that, that's pretty good. Now, just pull this off of here. You can see, as I'm sure many people know, if you've got these fish mouth spreaders, you can use them to suspend pots and water bottles over fires. Okay, that does a good job. You see here on the water bottle, it's got a really nice wide opening, really like that. And again, you just be able to slide them in there and they'll hang that over a fire as well, no problem. Good that it's got the measurement markings on the inside there, but the Chaison one had that too. So let's just compare them. As you can see, they're very, very similar. The only difference really is the Chaison one has the bail and this one has the holes. See that even the lid fits. So yeah, virtually identical. And that's fine, I mean they're good pots, but it means it's going to have the same failings as this one had. So as you can see here, it's because the lid is identical as before, you've got the same issue where this can fold flat. So when it's hot, it's going to be difficult to get something under there for lifting it up. As you see on the bigger pot, that's not an issue. You'd always be able to get under there nice and easy, and it moves nice and easy as well. So this for me is a better design, and obviously having the spout that both of these don't have. But other than that, it's still a good pot. So we'll just put the pot in. It should slide down not too bad. Get the handle out of the way. Bottle. We can fit in our bellows, fish hook spreaders, and the lid on top. And it all fits in there nicely. So as ever, thanks for watching guys. Until next time, take care.